Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start with immediate, decisive checks. Remove any external mouse and disable Bluetooth briefly, because conflicts often hide the issue. Next, open settings and confirm the touchpad is enabled and sensitivity isn't set to the lowest level. This prevents missed input. If your laptop has a physical switch or an FN shortcut, use it now, press it firmly. Also, inspect the pad edges for dirt or grime, since grime can block electrical contact and prevent gestures from registering. Once done with basic checks, focus on drivers and settings because most subtle failures lie here. Open Device Manager, find the touchpad entry, and choose Update Driver. If a recent update broke functionality, use Rollback. Prefer the OEM driver for full gesture support rather than the generic driver. Then go into Driver or Settings Advanced Options to calibrate palm rejection, two-finger scroll sensitivity, and gesture areas. This fine-tunes when the pad ignores accidental touches versus intentional input. To finish, take decisive corrective actions. Uninstall the touchpad driver cleanly, reboot, and install the OEM driver you downloaded. This removes corrupted configs. If issues persist, boot a live USB or run built-in hardware diagnostics to determine whether the problem is software or hardware. If diagnostics point to hardware, reseating the touchpad connector can help, but make sure you check warranty status first. If you open the chassis under warranty, you may void coverage, so consult support before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.